Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix Gameloop not working after updating a game in a quick and practical way. If Gameloop crashes, freezes, or fails to launch after an update, the first thing you should do is clear cache. Open Gameloop, go to Settings, then find the Clear Cache option and confirm. After that, restart the emulator completely. If the issue continues, repair the emulator. Open your computer's control panel, go to Programs, find Gameloop, and select Repair. This will fix corrupted files without deleting your games. You can also open the Gameloop multi-window tool and update the engine separately if prompted. Another important step is updating your graphics drivers and Windows version, because outdated drivers often cause launch problems after major game updates. If nothing works, uninstall Gameloop completely, restart your PC, and install the latest version from the official website. These steps usually fix most post-update issues quickly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.